We're back with another killer guide on Forsaken. Again with my dad. And today's killer is, so if you're a veteran in this game, that would be Jason, but copyright happens, so slasher. Okay, really quickly, I am going to go here. Alright. So, to help, but, oops, I mean to do that. To help show how this works, we have, I got my dad guess. So put up your block. Now he misses his, now I don't fall for the block, so then I can go up and hit him as much as I want. Because his block is on cooldown. Alright. We're just gonna do that really quick, so that we don't have to listen to music. So, slasher is all about how the players making mistakes. If they miss their block, you use Scashing Wounds and maybe Raging Pace to gain some easy control over distance. Also, use your M1. Slasher has stupid amounts of range. Though your behead, when you're moving, it lunges you forward, but it also gives you slowness. So now we're gonna just do this again. Do this again. So put up your block. Now I hit that on accident. Do your punch. Wait, huh? Huh. Okay. Okay, we have to wait for the block to go off, cooldown.
It's ready.
Alright.
Can we do it?
Yeah. So now, try and punch. If he hits, so then he's probably going to be close to you and you can hit Gashing Wounds. Unless if they run. But if they don't run, or if they miss, you just hit Gashing Wounds. That's it. Also, they have a custom kill animation where they get punched and guest gets beheaded. So that's some tips and tricks. But now we're on to the abilities part. We have M1, your classic hit. And I already mentioned behead. It lunges you forward, gives you slowness. So if you're moving, if you're not moving, it doesn't lunge you forward. But you still get slowness. Gashing Wounds, that's the combo. Hello? 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 And Raging Pace. It makes you fast, can't sprint, but you can lunge forward with your first M1. But then you can sprint. So, have fun with Slasher. And me, I'm gonna be off. Bye.